After breakfast, then we will go our final destination, Durvasa Kusana. Then, also, Gurudev also very nicely established Durvasa Kusana. So after visiting the place of Kusana, also then we will go to Durvasa Tila, where Durvasa Rishi he performed his heart first. Yesterday I told Durvasa Rishi actually is a great sadhu, and he glorified the characteristic of Amrish Maharaj. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad very nicely glorified about Amrish Maharaj, Amrish Maharaj Katha and Durvasa Rishi. This idea I told even Lord Krishna always he gives respect to him as a Brahmana. Namo Brahmano Devaya, Go Brahmano Hitaya Jagat Gita Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. So should not to this respect to Durvasa. And this Durvasa ashram also belongs to Madhva. You know, 12 forest in Vrindavan, that's called Dadas Paranatma Vrindavan Dham. And 5 forests east of the Jamuna and 7 forests other side of the Jamuna. So in this way, Vrindavan, Bhandivan, Madhuban, Talvan, Kumudvan, also Madhavan, etc. So this Durvasa ashram actually belongs to Madhava. And very nice, beautiful first time just you heard where Durvasa Rishi he performed Bhajan and Shravan. And Gurudev also established very nice, beautiful temple, Durvasa ashram. And also those are very nice people. If you go, you are complete your over the charm in your life. Very nice beautiful place. This place situated other side of the Jamuna river, just other side of the Vishram Ghat in Mathura. You know, Krishna, he killed Kamsa, then he dragged to him, and very close to Vishram Ghat, Jamuna. Then Krishna, he became very tired, he took rest on that place. After taking bath, Krishna took rest for this regard that this is called Vishram Ghat. Another meaning also Vishram Ghat, if you take Atman in Vishram Ghat, then your life will be rest. But that means you will not take bath, take birth in the cycle of samsara, dharma chakra. You will rest. But that means you will never again come back in this matter. Samsara chakra, samudra sakarmohi. Those samsara chakra will be completely what? For this regard also another name is called Vishram Ghat. Because conditioned soul traveling, right? All we are travelers, we are traveling one place to another place. And millions births we are traveling. Tavad janam, tavad maranam, tavad janani jatule sayanam. Again and again we are taking birth in the womb of mother, again give up his body, again enter in the womb of mother. This is very good. But if you take bath, if you take bath in the river of Yamuna, especially Vishram Ghat, then your life will be successful. Yesterday I told Mathura Devi, she will not only give the liberation, mukti. Mathura Devi, she will give also Bhagavad Prem, divine love to Krishna. So for this regard, Durvasa Rishi, sometimes she also used to come in Mathura, then in Kashi, the Jugana also used to come in Mathura, this place. Then, and when Ambarish Maharaj, he also rules a whole world, and his capital, that is called Mathura. If you go but just 500 meters from a temple, very close to the bank of Yamuna, and that is called also Ambarish Tila. That is Ambarish Maharaj, very big palace. This katha is Satyuga katha. Also, you have now we are looking at Yamuna, but at the first times of Krishna Prakat Lila, that time Yamuna was very nice and beautiful. Then one Purnamasi Devi, she learned, hey gopis, if you feed the high class sadhu Durvasa Rishi, then all your desire will be fulfilled. And your life will be successful. That time all the gopis, they asked Purnamasi, who is that sadhu, who is living, where is he living? That time Purnamasi Devi told, listen Gopi, in one place in the island of Yamuna. That time Yamuna was going different ways, this way. And that one Rishi, his name is Durvasa. He is a very high class, exalted person. You will fulfill all your desires. But how sadhu will be pleased? You will feed to sadhu, sadhu will be pleased. Yesterday, I will remember one very nice, beautiful video. One gopi, she was meditating. Then Krishna asked, hey gopi, what are you doing? Then gopi told, I am meditating to someone. Well, why? Well, if that person please, then my life will be successful. Then Krishna told, listen, if you meditate someone, your yesterday, you have to feed, clap. जब तक केवल आंख बंद करके अपनी इष्ट देव की प्राप्ति नहीं होता है। वो लोग ध्यान लगाते हैं ना, इस लीला में कृष्ण स्वयं वर्णन कर रहे हैं, सब गान की कथा में पढ़ रहा है। केवल ध्यान के द्वारा भगवान की प्राप्ति नहीं होता है। Only you meditate, you cannot attain to Lord. You have to feed. Then your Ishtadev will please. Then you attain your perfection high school. This is the process. Nowadays many people, they are just saying, that's why they are doing the dhyan. Nirakar form this person. They think the Lord has no form to meditate. But it is not the perfect way to attain to perfection. So in the same way, Krishna told that gopi, on your meditation you cannot attain your perfection goal and your Ishtadeva will not please with you. That gopi told, hey Krishna, what will you do now? He feed. the sadhu. Then if sadhu will please, then Ishtadev would please. Then Gopi ask, who is the sadhu? Where will get the sadhu? Then told, I am sadhu. Krishna told, I am the best sadhu. If you read Shastra, Ved, Purana, Upanishad, everywhere you will find about me. I am the best sadhu. Krishna Vande Guru is the best. Guru is the best sadhu. The good Guru is called the best from among the sadhu. So Krishna told, all Ved, Purana, Upanishad explain. That means I am the best sadhu. So he was that I am going to how possible. I can't believe you are sadhu. Because I did not see any symptoms of sadhu. Any symptoms of sadhu. You are not sadhu. Right? So Krishna told, if you not feel to me, so you can go anywhere. Then Gopi thinking, maybe Krishna will give curse to us. So it is better to pay to Krishna. Then Gopi pay to Krishna. Long lila, just like explaining how people. Maybe next time we will tell you this story very nicely. So in the same way, Purnamasi Devi, she declared in Braj, other side of the Yamuna, one is in Durvasa is staying there. If you fit to Durvasa, then to all your desires will fulfilled. You like to be successful. That time Gopi asked you how to cross the Yamuna, because that Sadhu Durvasa is living other side of the Yamuna. And that time Yamuna completely flooded. And strong also current, strong current. You cannot cross. No boat, nothing. So how they would cross? Then in the meantime, Gopi they saw Krishna very close on the bank of the river of Yamuna. Gopi they know Krishna, he knew some mystic power. So they asked Krishna, hey Krishna, go out, tell us how will you cross the Yamuna. Then Krishna told it is very easy process. But what is that? Just you go on the bank of Yamuna and pay your obeisances, pranam, and say, hey Yamuna, our beloved Govinda Krishna is perfect brahmachari, pakka brahmachari. Then please give us the best and we cross the Yamuna. Then Gopi, how possible? You are not a brahmachari. There are no symptoms of brahmachari. Although you are playing with us, so how possible you are brahmachari? And that time, अभी बंद कर देता हूँ. Then Gopi, anyhow, maybe this Patha will return, Durvasa Chala. Bolo Ram Bihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram Jai Jai Shri Ram. Now prepare to go to Durvasa Chala. Bolo Govinda Bolo Hari Gopala Bolo Govinda Hari Bolo Gopala Bolo.
Baru deh.